Hello, guys. What's up? Welcome to another nice, interesting episode. Yeah, this is your guy, Uli Native, Ungawuto, Umfana Kachum, Ukolite, Mageza Mutako, Unkobanye ice cream, cause you pay Kempa Ian Pangula. So today we've got a guest still up Skama Loma device.
Okay, right my device ukushuthi manje vele yakwazi la wefa ukwazi uzatshelwa ngomunye okwaziyo ongaziyo ukuthi hayi lapha ziyathatha okay right my device hayi sure
Story.
Amabizo abambi Wi-Fi.
Amabizo angikhona.
Ihamba nge-technology.
connect hayi device.
Shout out to Lights Out, shout out to Bexy.
Shout out to Trinidad. Sibala umkhohlwa kanjani? Okay, right my device.
Okay, just to say it off, guys. I was seeing something, but I didn't pay much attention to it. Ngibonile ukuthi kuthiwa Elon Musk isele i-item i-chip yokuthi like now disabled sebekufaka something yokuthi ba-connecta i-device yokuthi sikwanise ukucabanga i-movement iyenza kahle yokuconnecta i-chip ekhanda lakho. What's your take on that?
Christ of Nazareth. Whoa. I think it's escalator kakhulu but so apparently lento ngiqeda ukungitshela wena mina ngiyazi kuphela kuma movie. I've seen it in a movie. Le ngebe bekulomdzida le lesigora leza esidwafu leza ese-Chisco uVin Diesel. So ngimbonile ke movie kuthiwa i-Bloodshot. So when exactly what you're saying ukuthi that chip is it supposed to move for you taking orders from your brain.
Lapana ku-paralysis leyana ngisho kuthiwa what happens is the brain kuyabe kule something laphana engasayenzi kuhle engasaconnected to ukuthi kufunction certain parts so those cells khona kuyawa kufileyo kuthiwa that chip yangikhona ngabe sitsho abalikazi la ngiyibalile le news it controls like ukuthi everything like first guy oyitestileyo umuvile ama fingers yabo amuva and so they say so that thing kanya it controls your body because lapha uyakungasamuvi phela sikomi ha me so manje suphathela iscarf iporridge ekuseni case leyo
alingibalansele la bafethu ngicela lingibalanseni la kahle quick so le shandisi leya yona icontrolwa yini what
chip I understand what a chip device.
My device. Yeah, okay, right, my device, but it device ilakhona is it the one summoning your mind to control whatever that's hanged in there?
Your mind is controlling the chip.
Your mind is controlling the chip.
To so connect to lapho kade
someone's the chip to touch.
Yeah.
Okay, like, but then it's connected through the artificial hand.
No, it's your body. Because until power engqondweni la ku brain.
But when Antwana disabled, that's why you're having that chip too. And is it attached to a device? Maybe let's say Aula Sandla, is it attached to an artificial hand?
So mina angibonanga deep but I think it can be either ukuthi kube le external device onganisule i-robot maybe
what is it controlling if when I would disabled? And so I think the whole point of that chip to make you make moves, it's because when you can't move, hence you disabled. And so manje mina bengibuza
unikuporithi nje ekuseni
selokuyishandisi lokho yakhona uyihelper yakho unguplan B. I think they should make Black Coffee advertise it, guys. Okay, wait. I'm sorry, it came out wrong.
Oh my God!
Yes. Right, guys.
It came out wrong, but it's an inspiration. Hey, that guy. I don't think he's paralyzed. He's not paralyzed because he's capable of making wonders. So I mean, I was just saying those kind of things and those kind of things they need. Maybe if they want to start thinking about marketing that channels, they should get someone like him. Like
But
all the influence.
don't you think
Yeah.
ukuthi at some point in life there is going to be a time whereby that person who's got control over those chips is going to start programming those things and be like, okay,
Yeah,
guys,
they will.
let's be rebellious. Asichibile nini khathesi
Yeah.
la.
And
Yeah,
when I
asambili
really it
izo-
begins somewhere. It's gonna
Don't
be
you
like
feel
a chip, just like a computer, and then kuyenzakalani ngaba le virus.
Yeah, then
Yatshela
what if-
lesandla
what if-
lesi ukuthi
What
Me-
if he's not only he's going not is sorry isikhiwa kahle. What if engasoze beyimuye yedwa ucabanga ukuthi engakwenza phela kuningi umuntu akwazi ukubona ulayite yenze izazi
eh
ebese lamanye ize lami type izazi leyo
batshela it.
so but kale so omunye umuntu yabona yena senze i-target already a million investors in this world are watching and they also want to
To be involved.
so well,
Yeah.
someone is going to
upgrade what it does.
is it in a bad way or in a good way but someone is going to overtake that shit
But
And
I think
I think for
it's
me
nice
it's dangerous.
ukuthi
In,
But-
in your sense Matiba.
Oh, but at the same time umuntu lwana okade se-paralyzed wena sube paralyzed for like 3 years wakwahamba and then you get that chip now you are able to stand up and move uhambe ku-counter uyezithathela something you are able to go and perform. Hey, by the way, this guy is an artist, guys.
I draw
Unjita
people
lo.
naked
Hawu
pictures
sewabakhona
of babies.
kushow.
Hey, that's what he refers to as an artist. I know how to draw art.
Yeah.
Eh.
All right. But this
Yeah,
guy
anyway,
is an
big up
artist.
to him.
Yeah,
That's my
but
nigga,
he-
my partner in crime in music. So he's a producer. He's doper than me anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, just for me to say this.
So
straight.
you
So,
both being
back-
artists and khuluma ngalento ye-technology. What's your take on abantu asebenza ingoma nge-AI? Tshinihle kulo nto vele i-AI.
I think it's gonna fuck up some people's self-esteem musically because manje they diverting realness. They can be quoting realness. So maybe some people they'll be tempted, like they were more pushed to use the AI yakhona leya for their own benefit. Ukuthi now they want to boost their career, like boost their music performance, their delivery or whatsoever. But they're actually killing the realness in them. Like, yeah, like we're gonna crave, we're gonna thirsty.
Mina, but I
For
think it's an
realness.
advantage to
But
thina siyaremain authentic.
You
Abantu
see-
bazakhanuka into original.
Yeah.
Raw.
It's to an
Yeah.
advantage at
It
a
adds
later
up to
stage.
that. Yeah.
But yazi guys kumnandi okwe-AI kumnandi. Ngile track elinye ngalezayo AI. Lethu. Akuyize
I knew
mlokana
why you were
yakuspanisa.
gonna support AI.
No, I don't
this guy is so
support.
typical.
Okay,
Fruity
listen, I don't support
Fruity Loops.
AI. Listen, I don't support AI. So, Fruit is not AI, but I can
It
do.
is
I
AI
thought
motivation.
humanity-
all around.
I don't support
Okay,
AI,
so-
Khuluma sizwe.
but I like AI because it just makes something so easy to do. Ukuthi right now you wouldn't have to struggle, but akuseko real. You don't struggle to go and look for a designer to do something for you. You just come to your phone. Hello AI or hello bani ngicela ungiyenzele ukuthi uyakuprograma phela ukuthi ukukhulume mina unye njalo ukukhuluma lakho
I mean,
It was
it's
about
We are
music,
breather.
my ninja. Like,
can you
like
do a
music,
song for me,
not
Angel?
basic
Listen,
and
can you
standard.
do a song for me, Angel? So ama lyrics abe about this
Yeah, now we're coming.
kube i-female voice so kuyabe kulalela kubhale okay thank you, let's try this, let me what we generate
Uyinike more prompts,
Ama-templates,
yeah,
uyinike
yeah.
yabo.
Yeah.
So now it's making it easy for, let's say, producers like Cairo. Cairo has a track right now.
Yeah.
And he said it out to the whole world. Vocals are so nice, they are so mnca, yabo. And they are
Because of
AI.
AI
Ngama
generated.
AI yena i-artist lankhona i-AI artist.
Yeah.
So that song is nice and it's making it. So he just decided to make it to feel ukuthi kuyayenza yabona. Let's try to do this.
So
If you can't beat them,
boosts
join
your
them, bruh.
It boosts your quality. in a song.
No,
AI,
not
that's
I post as such, but like sekufana nokuthi alright that is,
okay, it makes it more enticing.
you know, it's something exactly. Yaba more even, you know, nicer. Like the vocals are so nice, bruh. They are so nice. Uchero wangikhona ngiyihlabela so la uyezithi ya. Kumnandi. Yabo. So
But it fucks up your
it
motivation.
fucks up
Now you're
that
not
thing.
motivated to spend more time on your craft because you know with there's AI, it's gonna help me.
Bruh.
But
Yeah.
realness comes from deep within, like deep in
So,
those roots.
in a way,
Mina
like,
don't
manje
think ukuthi
when it's on a-
mini AI ngeke ibambe i-rap style yami ngoba
Angeke.
i-switch flows every time G.
Angeke.
So ngeke kube lo munye wena noma wazi uthatha ivoice yami uyi-uploade ku-AI awusoze wathola i-track lika-lights wakobulawayo. Never noma
Never.
kuthiwa usebenzisa i-AI eblind njani.
Yeah.
Mina ngeke ungikhompethethini.
But okay.
But
I don't know
iyakwanisa
what makes it
ukuyenza.
different. than-
Uyinkidi kakho kato AI.
Hey,
Okayenziwa
bayafunda
nguJuicer Demento.
Hey.
Manje mina, you know what makes it strange for me, and there was a time there was that beef of Kendrick Lamar and Drake going on and Labo J Cole. Kule track elashawa nguDrake. Apparently leya track leya, if I'm not mistaken, lile ama-verse angu-3. First verse lile AI voice generated ka-Tupac. Second verse kulo Big, Notorious B.I.G. And then the third verse, it was actually him with his voice. So I think he wrote the lyrics and then he
What generated.
what generator my voice ka Big le ka Park. The way like lama voice lawa ya aphuma just like Park spine. Eka Big I voice iphuma just like Big.
So just
The
like
flow
what
liphuma like exactly like that. Flow ka Park like yabe kungathi ngu Park. Like Park for real and Big for real. Ne? The only difference and you could see ama lyrics abhalwe mbani nguDrake. So that track, yeah, it's something else, but it moves mountains. If you should know, according to myself, the dope that track.
Alright,
lela.
before-
But they just hated ukuthi Kendrick, Drake is now hiding, like using AI as a tool of fighting, so they thought that made him weak. But it track on its own, it's fine. So manje, kona lokya, it was about what? It's okay. Now they're more dangerous. They can even imitate life.
Jackie.
Yeah, ve.
That's
Yafika
what
ulabo
I
lights
wanted to
awethu.
stress out. But
So
it
ngaba
is-
lo light ohlabela umtoriro esishona.
Jackie.
Ohlabela
Hey.
wesitonga. Yabo.
Ah,
Light
vele it's
tonga.
scary,
Mele
Spy.
sikwenze light kodwa.
I don't think AI it must,
Lights featuring his
it
Kalanga
must be
version.
acknowledged, Spally, as I don't think we need to acknowledge
Yeah,
AI
so
more
in a
on
sense,
music.
like you are
gonna fuck
like
up.
you are saying
Mm.
the AI value is not good.
Mm.
So when you're a musician, a DJ, a producer, can you just tell so that before we wrap up, I think it's about to get that. Like, can you tell people ukuthi utholakala njani ama services akho, ama clubs osujayela uchakiyo since you came back, since you were in SA, you've been always playing in SA, then tshela abantu nje how you know.
Yeah, last time azange wathola i-chance ukukhuluma.
Yeah.
Ah, come on. All right. Anyway, just to rephrase or recap all of that. I just came up as a rapper. Yeah, well, I used to be a rapper. Ngenza izinto zoku-gate crusher amaclub ngifike lapha ngitshela u-DJ ngile flow lami so bengelibhala last week so manje ama-beat engilawa angibhowa ngicela wena ungitshayele i-beat lapho ngispeed iflow lami uselector la yahle bone vele nge-appearance ukuthi vele ngi-eager ukuspeed and then ngigaya i-chance nje one track nje 5 minutes but leya 5 minutes I would make it feel like people have been listening to me like for 3 hours like I get them jumping like deliverance approach yami and I was lucky enough ukuthi I just had that thing ukuthi I excite people. So shortly after that, someone approached me with a job offering. Another club guy, he knew me. He was a club owner. He didn't know whether I was a musician or a DJ, but he just assumed that I was a DJ. And then the guy offered me a job as a DJ. But then I was under pressure. I wanted the money, even though I didn't know how to DJ. I just said, yeah, let me take the job. So after we started this funny this year, for me, it was too quick because everything, even my dance, stuff I see on Fruity Loops, Reason, Cubase, is in doing producing some music. So I was much familiar with those words: cue, play, loop, stop. So it made it easy for me. I just had to pick up like the idea of matching my pitches, about my BPM speed. So right there quickly, 3 months time over there, I was something else. Very basically selector from me, operator, generator, selector, very indicator. Penetrator, player hater. So shortly after that, later, here my campaigning, creator. Of course, I want to be debater. And so I'm having Zamugu Banigeza, a lot of me to cater for. Of course, so after that, I mean, Kalugu Shai Sami Spani, as a DJ, like, there was this guy called Clinton. I owe that nigga. He's the one who taught me, Uti, at this level of grade you have obtained, you cannot be playing for such amount of money. It's embarrassing. Such amount of money is embarrassing. So I wasn't aware of like how much fire I had in my hands. All I knew is that I had the fire and the burning desire, of course.
And the
So-
fire, you still have it.
I still have more fire. There's no way for me to retire, bruh. Like, even if I get higher than higher. So, there's still more time for me to be a seller and a buyer at the same time.
Guys,
So
just
anyway,
to repeat up, sorry
let
guys,
me just wrap it
getting
up
dark.
quickly. So now, and then after that, the nigga told me like how much I must be charging because he knows how much I'm worth. So I tried that, it worked out for me. That was proof of it. I was really what he thought I was. I was fire. And then from then I leveled up. I became a event manager. Started doing events management. It's been one hell of a ride. Maybe in the next episode I'll be telling you guys about the places I used to operate. Let's cooperate. Yeah, you can't stop me. Let's stop the hate. Yeah, there's no more debate. We're
Guys.
running late, of course.
Yeah, my device
It
low,
was a
my
great
guys.
chat.
Kuyafiwa, hey. Night, I think kuyamele kube le yinye ezasithi.
Yeah,
Kusukusiba mnyama, guys.